Imagine waking up, pressing the power button on your computer, and seeing nothing but a blue screen or a boot error. It's a nightmare scenario, but today, I'm going to show you how to make sure you're never locked out of your files again. Creating a system recovery drive is one of the most important things you can do to protect your Windows 11 PC. If your computer ever runs into a serious problem or fails to start, a recovery drive can help you troubleshoot and fix those issues, even if you can't get to the desktop. To get started, you'll want to make sure you have a USB drive with at least 16 GB of space. Keep in mind that this process will erase everything currently on that USB, so double-check that you've backed up any important files before you begin. First, head over to your search bar and type in Control Panel. Once that opens up, you'll want to make sure your view is set to either large or small icon so you can see all the options. Look for the recovery icon and click it. From the Advanced Recovery Tools menu, select Create a Recovery Drive. You might see a pop-up asking for permission to make changes. Just click Yes to move forward. In the next window, ensure that the box labeled Backup System Files to the recovery drive is checked. This ensures you have the tools necessary to reinstall Windows if needed. Hit Next, and Windows will take a moment to prepare. Once it's ready, select your USB flash drive from the list and click Next again. You'll get one final warning that everything on the drive will be deleted. Click Create to start the process. This part can take a little while as Windows copies all the necessary system files to your USB. Once it finishes, you'll see a message letting you know the recovery drive is ready. Simply click Finish, and you're all set. Now you have a powerful tool to get your PC back up and running if things ever go wrong. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.